Hi, welcome back to edtech. Today is my JavaScript lesson after a bit of gap, but it's okay. This is a very interesting lesson, so you're going to enjoy this. This is a mini tutorial as usual for my JavaScript series of strings, and this is Concat method for JavaScript string. Let's get started. Go to my JavaScript file. Okay, let me show you two examples of how you can concatenate or do concantenation. What do you mean by concantenation? It means kind of combining two strings to form a new string, whereby the original string value doesn't change, but you get a new string. Okay, and if it involves numbers, then you should know that concat method will first convert the numbers to strings and then perform the concatenation, right? Okay, so let's see how this happens. Let's consider a string rather by the name of greeting. So this is a string with a value of hello. Right. Don't forget the semicolon. So this string is hello. The value of this string is hello. I want to form a new string. So how do I do that? By concatenating this string with another string. So let me call this new string message. Let's say I concat that with greeting. So greeting, the string value is hello, remember? So greeting. So the syntax will be the first string, the variable was greeting. So greeting dot concat, the round brackets, within the round brackets you have to pass the value of the strings as the strings parameters. So here first an empty string, and then the next parameter I want to say, let's say the name John, or let's say George. Hello George. Right, so this is a greeting, right? Okay, quite cool. Now I want to call the console.log. What should I call the message, right? Because that's a new string I want to form. Let's check out the result. Where did I go wrong? Oh yeah, I know. This should have come, the exclamation should come before. I'm sorry. Yes, there you go. So sorry, that was a typo mistake. I was just wondering why it's not calling the function. Okay, so now you have first string with a value of hello. You want to form a new string called message with a value of hello George. So how do you do that? You first the initial string dot concat. You give an empty string as the first parameter, and the second parameter the string whatever you want, in this case a name, right? And then you console.log for the message, the second string that you want, and you get the result hello George. Now this string was for the white space. Let's say I just do a single space, hello George without a space. So remember, if you want space, you need to do the string, the white space. You have to give a white space like this, a string, open and close, inverted comma like this with a space in between. Without space means it won't give any white space between the two strings in the result, as you've seen already. Now I can do a similar thing for numbers. Okay, let's consider a numerical string. Let count is an empty string. Then I want to form another string, a new string. So what do? Count dot concat, empty space, because I want this white space, comma as a first parameter. Second parameter, let's say I want to have a number 5. Console.log string. What happens? I get 5. And here you find the string here. Why? Because in JavaScript concat method, JavaScript string concat method, what happens is even if it is numbers that you're concatenating, then the JavaScript string will first convert these numbers into strings and then do the concatenation. That's why you find the string sign here. So here you go. I had an empty string count, and then after doing the concatenation I get this number 5. I can even add more numbers. Let's see. You have 5, 1 and 3. Because I didn't add more space. I can even add space here. Let's see. Oh, sorry. More. There you go. So likewise you can add the white space between all the numbers. I hope you understood. So what you can do is you can even remove this. And you can create here as well. Oh, sorry. I forgot the comma. When you're creating white space, don't forget to add in the comma like I forgot last time. There you go. So that's up to you whether you want a white space between those numbers or not. So this is all about the concat method. See you in the next lesson with more JavaScript lessons. Until then, ciao. And if you like watching such tutorials, see you in the next lesson. If you like watching such tutorials, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay safe, stay subscribed. See you.